And in 2025, with options like remote online notary services, this opportunity is wide open. What's up, Notary Gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie McAfee. I help aspiring entrepreneurs start and grow profitable notary businesses without the overwhelm. So let's get into it. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck like you needed a fancy degree or thousands of dollars just to start a business? I felt that way too. But today, I'm here to tell you, you don't need a degree to do this. Yep, I said it. 1 week from today, you could be on your way to making real money as a notary. Now, let me keep it real with you. When I first heard about the notary industry, I thought to myself, well, that sounds kind of boring. But what I didn't realize was how powerful and how flexible this business could be. No college degree, no mountain of debt, just a legit low-cost way to start earning as a side hustle or a full-time business. And in 2025, with options like remote online notary services, this opportunity is wide open. If you've been searching YouTube how to start a business without a degree, or even how to make money from home in 2025, then this video is for you. So we've really been conditioned since kindergarten to believe that you need a 4-year degree, student loans, and 10 years of experience to make something of yourself. Now, let me be real with you. Degrees are great, but they're not the only way, especially when it comes to starting a notary business. You can really skip the gatekeeping and get straight to the income. So here's the truth. You can become a notary public for less than $200 in most states. You don't need prior experience. You don't need a legal degree. You don't even need a website to start. All you need is the willingness to learn, the right mindset, and the right steps. And I'm about to give you those steps right now. These steps are the same ones that I used when I first got started. And now I help others do the same through my notary resource room and online programs. So here's how you start your notary business in 7 days. Day 1, you want to research your state requirements. Every state has its own set of rules, so you want to use Google. You're going to Google how to become a notary in your specific state, or just simply visit your Secretary of State's website. Day 2, submit your notary application. You'll need to fill out a simple form and pay a small fee. Day 3, some states require a bond. You'll also need a notary stamp, a journal, and I always recommend obtaining errors and omissions insurance. Day 4, complete any required training or exam. Many states don't require training, but I highly recommend it. That way, you feel confident. Day 5, get your commission and receive your certificate. Once approved, you'll get your commission certificate and can officially call yourself a notary public. Day 6, market yourself with your personal network. You want to let your friends and family and local businesses know that you're available to notarize. Day 7, do your first notarization. You can offer general notary work, loan signings, if you don't need to take additional training in your state, and apostille services. Or go digital with remote online notarization if your state approves you to do so. Now let's talk money, because that is why we're here, right? General notary work can range from $10 to $50 per appointment. Loan signings can range from $75 to $250 per signing. Apostille courier services can range from $100 to $350, depending on how you decide to price your services. Remote online notarizations. You can work with clients in other states completely online. Now, once you learn how to package your services and build relationships, this can turn into a $2,000 to $5,000 month business or more. Now, this isn't just about the money, although that plays a major role in why we even tend to want to start our own businesses. However, it's more so about the freedom. It's about showing your kids, your friends, your family, and most importantly, yourself, that you don't have to wait for someone else to approve approve your future. This is for people who've been overlooked, for moms, side hustlers, 9-to-5ers who want out, for people who were told they weren't qualified. Well, guess what? You are qualified, and I'm living proof. If you're ready to start, I've created a free notary startup guide just for you. It breaks everything down step by step and includes the tools and resources, and even a checklist to launch your business in 7 days or less. And if you're interested, book a coaching session with me to dive a little bit deeper on why it's so important for you to start your notary business now. Click the link in the description below or visit notaryresourceroom.com. And if you want more hands-on help, book a 30-minute coaching session with me. Link is in the description below. Remember, you don't need a degree. You need a decision. Make the choice today and invest in yourself. Subscribe, like, and comment below if this video spoke to you. And tell me what's stopping you from starting your notary business. Let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.